Hello everyone. Today, we're gonna see some basic vocabulary, mostly French greetings, les salutations, and some of the most commonly used phrases, les expressions courantes. So let's start with the first greeting. Bonjour. Bon means good. Jour means day. Bonjour is used to say good morning, and it is also used to say hello. Bonsoir. Soir is evening, so bonsoir is good evening. Bonne nuit. Good night. Bonne journée. Have a nice day. Bonne soirée. Have a nice evening. Au revoir. Goodbye. Voir means to see. Revoir means to see again. Therefore, saying au revoir is basically saying, I'm looking forward to see you again. Salut, which means hello or hi. You would usually use it with people that you know well. It's less formal than bonjour. Salut also means bye. It is less formal than au revoir. Allô? Allô is usually the first word you would say when talking over the phone. Allô, oui, je vous écoute. Hello, yes, I'm listening. À demain. See you tomorrow. Or talk to you tomorrow. À bientôt. See you soon. Or talk to you soon. À plus tard. See you later. À la prochaine. See you next time. Talk to you next time. You don't have to say à la prochaine fois. Fois, which means time, is understood. Today is Christmas, so Joyeux Noël, Merry Christmas, et à la prochaine!